test trucks so we can do some awesome tricks.
How old are you today?
3.
And you're going to where?
To the BMX track. Next year I'm going to be 4.
You are going to be 4 next year.
Yep.
Very cool. So is this going to be your first trip to the BMX track?
Yep.
And what kind of tricks are you going to do?
This, and this.
Nice.
Yeah. Let's go now.
Are you going to wear your helmet to the track?
Yeah. And I'm going to wear it all the way there.
Where's your bike shoes at?
They're on the back of the truck.
Alright.
Chee the beady beady.
Okay, where are you at?
Chee the beady beady.
Okay, where are you at?
I'm at the BMX track.
Okay, there goes another guy. Are you ready? Okay, you go. I'll help you up. Go. Keep going. Okay, you got the rest of them, okay? I've got you. Keep going, dude. I got it. Come on. Good job, buddy. Go, Garrett. Go, Garrett. Go, 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 go. I got you. I got you.
Help me over that big jump.
I will. Go, Garrett. Go, go. Good job, buddy. Pedal, pedal. Go, pedal. Pedal. There you go. Garrett, go. Okay, Garrett, park it. Garrett, go. Good job, buddy.